house, Emma. Go play with your house, Emma. Go ahead, over there. What are you doing? Emma, you're supposed to play with your house. Alright, go ahead. Play with your house. Show everybody what you do. Go ahead. Look. Go over there. Mama, look. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Come on, you little mama's girl.
Go get it. Go get it. Emma, look. Over there. Go get your house. Some phone's ringing. Get it, Emma. Emma. Hi. What are you doing, pretty? Someone say hello. Hello. What's up, Emma's like a little over 9 months now. I just want to show everybody what you're doing. She's standing in her crib, crawling. Daddy just went out for a run, get some exercise. And Emma and Mommy are waiting for Daddy to come home. I'm gonna say bye. You wanna say bye to everybody? Bye-bye. 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 Go ahead, bye-bye. Where's your bye-bye? Where's your wave, Emma? You too busy? Emma, you can't climb up there. Emma. Emma. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.